Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. Whether you want better night vision, triple channel recording, 360-degree coverage, or advanced features like Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24-hour parking protection, these are the top picks you should look at. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue E2 Dash Cam. The Vantrue E2 is a dual dash cam featuring 2.7K front and 2.7K rear recording with Sony Starvis sensors. It supports voice control, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and up to 512 gigabytes memory. It includes night vision, G-sensor event detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring. This model is ideal for drivers who want balanced front and rear clarity. The upgraded rear camera delivers noticeably sharper detail than typical 1080p units. The image processing is excellent in low light, delivering clean nighttime footage. Its compact 2.45-inch IPS display keeps things simple while offering helpful voice commands for hands-free operation. Pros: high-resolution 2.7K dual recording, strong night vision with Starvis sensors, reliable GPS and Wi-Fi, supports large 512 gigabyte storage, good value for a dual-channel system. Cons: no interior camera, requires hardwiring for full parking mode. Number 2. PORMIDO Triple 12-inch Mirror Dash Cam. This is a 3-channel mirror-style dash cam with separate front, inside, and waterproof rear cameras. It features a 12-inch touchscreen, Sony image sensors, Starvis night vision, GPS, and built-in parking assist. The PORMIDO Triple is perfect for those who prefer a rear-view mirror replacement instead of a windshield-mounted unit. The 1296p resolution across all 3 channels produces decent clarity, and the wide display makes reversing and monitoring surroundings easier. It's especially helpful for rideshare drivers thanks to the interior camera. Pros: full 3-channel coverage, large 12-inch touchscreen mirror, great interior and rear visibility, easy reversing with parking guidelines, good for Uber or Lyft drivers. Cons: mirror cams can be bulky, video quality slightly lower than 4K competitors. Number 3. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dash cam. This 3-channel dash cam records in 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior. It features Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, Wi-Fi 6, LTE 4G, ADAS safety alerts, HDR night vision, and 24-hour parking surveillance. Includes a 512 gigabyte memory card. The 70mm T800 is a high-tech, premium system built for maximum detail. The 4K front camera delivers extremely sharp footage, ideal for capturing license plates and signs. Advanced driver assistance, cloud connectivity, and LTE remote access make it one of the smartest systems available in 2025. For technology lovers, this is a standout choice. Pros: true 4K triple-channel recording, best-in-class Starvis 2 sensors, LTE plus Wi-Fi 6 for remote access, HDR night vision performance, ADAS safety features. Cons: more expensive than basic models, requires installation effort for 3 cameras. Number 4. Vantrue NS5 4-channel 360-degree dash cam. The Vantrue NS5 is a rare 4-channel dash cam that covers the front, rear, sides, and interior for complete 360-degree protection. It includes Starvis 2 IR night vision, voice control, 24-hour parking mode, Wi-Fi, GPS, and support for up to 1 terabyte storage. This dash cam is designed for drivers who want maximum situational awareness. The 4 cameras work together to create a full panoramic coverage, making it excellent for rideshare drivers, delivery services, and anyone parking in high-risk areas. The infrared interior camera captures crystal-clear footage even in total darkness. Pros: full 360-degree recording, Starvis 2 plus IR night vision, supports huge 1 terabyte storage, excellent for commercial drivers. Feature-rich and highly reliable. Cons: complex installation, higher price point. 5. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam. The VIOFO A229 Pro offers dual-channel 4K plus 2K recording with Starvis 2 sensors. It includes HDR imaging, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS logging, Night Vision 2.0, and 24-hour parking protection. It supports up to 512 GB. VIOFO is known for high-quality optics at competitive prices, and the A229 Pro continues that trend. The HDR processing ensures balanced exposure even in difficult lighting. Its reliability, image clarity, and strong night performance make it a great choice for everyday drivers who want premium quality without going over budget. Pros: 4K front plus 2K rear footage. HDR night vision is excellent. Stable GPS and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Great value for the price. Reliable long-term performance. Cons: no interior camera. Rear camera isn't 4K. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want a review on a specific product. See you in the next video.